Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to use our compass. Now there's many different types of compasses and this one is a pretty easy one to use. I'm going to show you this. Some of you are going to find this pretty easy to use. Some of you are going to think it's pretty challenging. I would like everybody to try this, but I want to show you something else you can use to make circles as well. So we have our compass. And we also have this plastic. This is a template of many different size circles, from a smaller one all the way up to the biggest one here. So I'm going to set this aside because this video is really all about using your compass. Now there is a different type of a compass that you might be thinking is the compass that tells us north, south, east, and west. Nope, this is the compass that helps us to make circles. So there's a couple different parts to this compass. There's this here, and if you can see, there's a hole in the middle. And then there's this red part. There's two holes, one here, and this slides. You're going to see in inches, and you're going to see in centimeters. So we're going to use the inch side. And I want to start with a 2-inch circle. So I'm going to make one of these arrows go to 2. And that's a 2-inch diameter. So I'm going to take this, put it down on my paper, but before I start, I'm just going to put a dot on my paper. Now that dot you probably can't see. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. So this hole here goes right on that dot. And I said 2, and I probably should have said something smaller, but we'll go with 2 right now. So I'm going to put my pencil tip in here, and I'm just going to push. But you can see my hand here is in the way. So now I have to go backwards, lift up my hand, and there is my circle. Now I said 2-inch, but really it's 2 inches from the center here. So from here to here it's 2 inches. What do you think it would be all the way across? Right, if you said 4 inches, you are correct. So this would be a 4-inch diameter. So I'm going to make another circle. And this one I want to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to move it to, let's try the 1 inch. And I'm going to come down here and make a dot big enough for you to see. I'm going to do this here. Now, this part has to stay stationary, it means it can't move. So I'm going to hold my finger here. This has to be really firm, it can't wiggle around. I'm going to put my pencil, and notice how I have it straight up. I'm not going this way. If I have it on an angle like this, I'm likely to break the tip of my pencil. So it goes up and down, and then I'm going to push it, and then I'm going to go back. Ta-da! I have another circle. I'm going to do one more because I'd like you to do 3. I'm going to do a really small one. I'm going to make it go all the way closed. So I'm going to start with my little dot. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put my finger here, up and down, and then my pencil up and down, and turn this around. And there you are. There's my super small circle. Now this looks incredibly easy when someone else is doing it. When you're doing it, you're going to find that it's going to be kind of a challenge. When my circles are done, I'm going to erase the little dot that I had. And then I'm going to stop. We're going to be doing something with this paper after.